Hi Cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a moon, so let's get started. First, draw a curved line down, slowly, and stop at here. Again, a curve. Now draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. Here also, inside with line. And the mouth. Now draw a star here. Now we have a cute moon. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.